most of this ear equipment is found in the inner ear. I would say that this bone number 10, the one that looks like a stirrup, that's in the middle ear, and it contacts a portion of this that's in the inner ear. 7, there is a big nerve that leads out of this complex. What would you think the biggest nerve is? And then 8, the smaller nerve, what is this one called? And then number 9, what are these loops called that are in the inner ear? They help with equilibrium and balance. And then 11, what is this snail looking thing? So 10, the thing I'm asking you here for 10 is, what's the science word for the bone called the stirrup? Number 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, put your answers in the comments below. In the description below the video, I also have a link which will take you to a downloadable, printable answer sheet.